Operators. Operators in programming are symbols or keywords used to perform operations on variables and values. Dart, like many other programming languages, supports a variety of operators for tasks such as arithmetic, comparison, logical operations, and more. First, we are studying arithmetic operators. Addition is used to add two values. Next, let's see how to perform addition. We declare two integer variables, a and b. The sum is equal to a plus b. This is an example of using the addition operator. Let's print the sum. The answer is 13. Subtraction subtracts the right operand from the left operand. Now, let's see how to perform subtraction. Declare an int variable called difference. A minus b. Then, print the result. The answer is 7. This is an example of the subtraction operator. Multiplication multiplies two values. Let's declare a product variable to study the multiplication operator. A into b. The answer is 30. Division divides the left operand by the right operand. Now, let's see how to perform division. Declare a double variable called quotient. A divided by b. Print the quotient. The answer is 3.33. Modulo calculates the remainder of the division. Declare an int variable, remainder. A modulo b. Print the remainder. The answer is 1, which is the remainder. Integer division performs integer division, discarding the fractional part. Declare a variable called integer result. A integer division b. Print the integer result. The answer is 3. I hope this helps you understand arithmetic operators. Now, let's move on to comparison operators. Equality checks if two values are equal. Using this equality operator, we compare whether these two variables are equal. Declare a Boolean variable named is_equal. A double equals operator, a == b. The result is stored in the is_equal variable. Let's print that variable. It is false. Then, we change the value of b to 10. Now it is true. This is how the equality operator is used. Inequality checks if two values are not equal. Similarly, we check whether they are not equal. In this case, we change the symbol to not equals. Change the variable name to is not equal. Its output is true. Because the values are not equal, the condition is true. Then we change the b variable to 10. The result is false. Greater than checks if the left operand is greater than the right operand. Here, we create a new variable called is_greater_than. A is greater than b. Then, let's print that variable. It displays true because a is greater than b. Less than sign checks if the left operand is less than the right operand. Now we use the less than symbol. The result is false because A is greater than B. Greater than or equal to checks if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. Next, we use the greater than or equals symbol. The result is true because one condition is true. The first variable is greater than the second. Less than or equal to checks if the left operand is less than or equal to the right operand. Here, we use the less than or equals symbol. The result is false because neither condition is met. This concludes the section on comparison operators. Now, we're moving on to logical operators. Logical AND returns true if both conditions are true. Now, let's see how it works. Let's use is equal and is not equal in this example. Is equal is false, and is not equal is true. We declare a Boolean variable named result1. Result1 is equal and is not equal. This checks if both conditions are the same. They are not the same, so the result is false. Logical OR returns true if at least one condition is true. In the next example, we check is equal or is not equal. The result is true because the second condition is true. Logical NOT negates the value of a condition. In this example, we use not result1. Result1 is false, so its result is true. Then we check not result2. That returns false. Assignment equals sign assigns a value to a variable. This is an example of the assignment operator. For example, int a equals 10, b equals 3. When we print a, it displays 10. Addition assignment adds the right operand to the left operand and assigns the result. For instance, a plus equals b. The answer is 13. This is equivalent to a equals a plus b. Subtraction assignment subtracts the right operand from the left operand and assigns the result. Here, a minus equals b, and the answer is 7. This is the same as a equals b. Multiplication assignment multiplies the left operand by the right operand and assigns the result. For example, a into equals b. The result is 30, which is the same as a equals a into b. Division assignment divides the left operand by the right operand and assigns the result. When we check division assignment, the result is A equals A divided by B. However, it displays an error because the result is a double data. To fix this, we change the A variable to double and then run it. It works, and the result is 3.33. Conditional, ternary, operator. Condition. Expression 1, expression 2. This operator evaluates the condition and returns expression 1 if it's true, otherwise, it returns expression 2. In this example, we check if is greater than b. If it's true, the variable is assigned the value of a, otherwise, it's assigned the value of b. It's a condition check. In this case, the variable is assigned the value of a because the condition is true. Now, if we change the greater than symbol to less than, it returns the value of b because the condition is false. With the conditional, ternary, operator, if the condition is true, it runs the first portion, otherwise, it runs the second portion. Type test operators. As, typecast, used to explicitly cast objects to a specific type. In this example, we declare an object, assign a string value to it, and then declare a string variable, attempting to assign it the object variable. It results in a runtime error because we need to cast the object variable for the assignment. To do that, we use the as keyword, object as string. Then, when we print it, it works as expected. Is type check, used to check if an object is of a specific type. In this example, we check if this object is a string using the is keyword. If it is a string, we assign it to a string variable. Is not, negated type check, used to check if an object is not of a specific type. Here, we check if the object is not an integer. If it's not, we print object is not an integer. Yes, it's printed because the object variable is not an integer. If the object is assigned to an integer value, it doesn't display. Two conditions are not met. The first condition checks if it's a string, and the second condition checks if it's not an int.